Welcome to my YouTube channel. This welcome is an introduction on how to use this channel. So what is the point of my channel? I am here to help everybody that's trying to learn math, students and teachers. Many schools start algebra as early as the 7th grade. I started my lessons before then. I went all the way back to place value and how to name numbers. And then I worked my way through 3 textbooks that were at a 7th, 8th, and 9th grade level. The pink link is a link to the core for the state standards for mathematics. So this comes down from the National Council for the Teachers of Mathematics and is intended to provide an overall picture of where students need to be by the end of each school year in mathematics. Click the pink link for the full document. It's about 100 and some odd pages, 117 or so. So, I teach in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, and what you see here are the Pennsylvania math standards. So, the first letter, number 2, is for mathematics. 1 is English, 2 is math. I think 3 is social studies and 4 is science, or is backwards. So they break their content down into numbers and operations, algebraic concepts, geometry, measurement, data, and probability. On the right side of the page here in the pink box, you see the standards for mathematical practice, which comes from the National Common Core Standards. And this is the big idea for teaching mathematics. In all math lessons, you should go over one of these 8 standards, and by the end of the year, most of your lessons will have gone through all 8 of these standards. And this is how we want students and people to think about mathematics, to integrate all things in mathematics based on these 8 objectives. So the best tools, get yourself a Ti84 calculator. You don't have to go out and buy a brand new one. Brand new, they cost anywhere from $100 to $115 in any store, grocery stores, drugstores, Target, Walmart, wherever. I suggest that you go get a used one off eBay. A lot of college students sell theirs. You can find them anywhere between $50 and $65. Any one as good as the next. I'll just show you a Ti84 Plus. They have color editions, Ti84C, Ti84. Ti84 is one of the best tools. You can use it as early as the 7th grade and all the way up to your 1st or 2nd year in college. There are some online calculators for free that you can use to graph stuff in case you need to graph things, like Desmos or Math Papa. Math Papa is a really good site because that will help you with graphing systems of equations. Desmos will too. If you have a computer and you don't want to buy a calculator, I suggest that you download the Ti84 software. You had to go to Ti84 and purchase the software, download it onto your computer. Unfortunately, the last time I looked, it wasn't on the Apple iPad, and that's the device I'm using to make these videos. So I had to download it on my laptop. But it's really good, and you can get all the graphing features, and it'll show you what buttons to push, and it's really good to use. I probably won't be using a whole lot of calculator stuff because that's not the purpose of this. The purpose of this channel is to really give you the nuts and bolts on how to do math on pen and paper. But when we get to graphing functions in the algebraic section 2.2, I will show you some things on the calculator. I'll cut an image and paste it into the screen of what buttons you should push and how it looks on the Ti84 on a laptop. So whenever you see an image of a calculator, that's coming from the Ti84 from my computer, the Ti84 software. So Commonwealth of Pennsylvania 2.1 Numbers and Operations. All of your numbers and operations videos will start with an orange intro. All of your algebraic concepts 2.2 will start with a blue video. All of your geometry lessons will start with a green intro slide. And finally, all your measurement, data, and probability slides will start with a white and purple intro slide. Now, as you see, there are lessons 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. I had to make it in the thousands to make the numbers work to match the title 2.4. So because there was 100, almost 200 algebraic videos, I had to increase it up into the thousands. It'll make sense for each section of content. The 1,000 video is the intro, and I'll explain what each video, how it's related. It'll make sense once you watch this, but this is just a welcome video. And so this explains how each video will look. I made slides, and then I'm going to write over the Google Slides and talk over that. And you can read that page to see how the channel's arranged. And so the material I use are 3 textbooks that I found that were pretty good. So I suggest you go out and get a teacher's editions of a textbook. They give you more problems to practice, because the more you practice math, the better at it you will get. This video is to help supplement what you're learning, or to help supplement a textbook. You don't have to go out and get these. You can find these on eBay somewhere, or you can go to a local, some school districts have clearinghouses for books. Like when they get rid of books, they'll toss them or sell them. Sometimes libraries will have the information on how to get textbooks, but I suggest you get yourself a teacher's edition. Teacher's edition will at least have answers to the odd number problems, so you get half of the answers from each section in the book. And so what I did was took every section of these 3 books and I kind of mashed them together to make this channel work. And that's why there's so many videos, because my videos come from 3 different textbooks, or the material from these videos come from 3 different textbooks. So thank you for watching this, and welcome to my channel. And feel free to browse any of the videos. You'll see more videos pop up. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll be eventually getting to your neck of the woods. And I hope to make this all inclusive throughout the whole high school math experience, and not just stop at what Algebra 1 covers for geometry and Algebra 2, and hopefully I can get into trigonometry and a little pre-calculus. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and look for more videos to be added. Thank you very much.